What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fake girl, Sera.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
And... okay, family, it is December. God, I can't believe it's December, but it is December 12th. Today we have some errands to run. We thought we'll bring you guys along. We are going to Starbucks to have some breakfast because, yeah, we feel bougie like that. We miss Vietnam. That's the real, okay, guys? But ever since coming back from our Bali and Vietnam trip, we have been hitting up Starbucks like crazy because, guys, they sell my drink here. They sell my favorite drink at Starbucks in Starbucks Melbourne. So yeah, Taru finished work early. He left to go work and got let go early.
This is our private parking at Starbucks.
Yeah, guys, life has been lifing. And we've just been trying to like work hard. So then, you know, we get this good break in Christmas where we're not like struggling. I don't know, guys, but the inflation in Melbourne, it's crazy, guys. Like, I went back to work like recently. One of the church girls had a good connection in where I'm working at the moment, and so she told me just jump on. I literally jumped on the next day. Like, she got me in just like that, and we've just been grinding our butts off. I was actually meant to work last night, didn't end up working the Cantora shift due to low volume. I thought that was really annoying because, like, why do you cancel our shift at 9 when we start at 11? Like, I was sleeping for work. But yeah, anyways, it is what it is. I got to catch up on some Netflix, and me and Tor didn't go to bed till like 2 in the morning.
What did you watch?
P. Diddy's documentary.
Oh my gosh.
Bruh. P. Diddy's doco. Go watch that on Netflix. Yeah, that is crazy. Some crazy stuff.
Uncle needs to chill.
Yeah, he needs to stay in jail.
For me, so very long story short, the old company that I was working for went under. So then I was jumping around for a little bit. I'm also upu for hooking it up. Because I want to get Tor some good presents. Man. I want to get him this dinosaur, the egg.
Oh my
then
god!
Then just like you tap it and bang, dinosaur. Anyways, yeah.
This guy's obsessed with dinosaur. Hey guys, that's what we've been up to. We've just been like grinding and like working, church, gym. Sometimes I've barely been back. Yeah. Taru's barely been back. But yeah, guys, let's go into Starbucks. And then we're gonna meet up with Jace because he's got to go do something at Vic Road. And then we're going to watch my cousins, Fai and Sionga. They're competing at their first Hyrox comp today. Yeah. So we're so excited. Yeah. We're gonna go and support them today. And we're gonna stop off at Officeworks and show you why. Let's go, fam. Starbucks, where have you been?
Money.
Your money? Money for what? You want money for Roblox? Yeah, no, bro. You know the go. So, if you are letting your kids on Roblox, please make sure you're monitoring them. Tua has not had Roblox for like 2 weeks now because I banned him because I found him watching, like, he doesn't play Roblox. Watches Roblox on YouTube Kids. I didn't even know that YouTube Kids was showing Roblox like that, but I overheard him watching like this girl saying, like, kill yourself, like talking about murder, like killing, and I was like, no. So 12 was banned from watching Roblox on YouTube. But please, guys, make sure you are monitoring your kids because the world's dangerous out there.
It's dangerous, man. And you know what? What I've done was, what we've done, is you just go to the 3 dots at the top, go there, block video, block channel, block video. That's it.
Alright guys, we've made it to Officeworks. We got to get some things from here. But in saying that, guys, I've got to show you. This is my order that I get. Mango dragon fruit with lemonade.
we said before, son always gets a chocolate frappuccino. And then I went across the way to get Macca's, mate.
Bruh.
But yeah, we're in Office Works. I mean, we're here at Office Works. We're about to get this little thing done.
Okay fam, we just printed off what we needed. We're gonna show you guys. We actually need to cut it up and then we'll show you, but I'm dying at these photos. Okay fam, we're currently waiting inside Vic Road. This guy got his appointment time wrong, so now we're waiting. This your sign, eh? Go do your registration. This is your sign, go do your registration, because if it expires, you have to do everything all over again.
What's up, guys? We are back at the Melbourne exhibit.
Yeah, that's right. We're here. We are here. Melbourne Exhibition Centre. We are coming to support the man himself, Siona, and his beautiful fiance. They're gonna rip it up. What do you reckon? What do you call it? Podium place?
Oh, my family's coming number one, bro. Not even doubting them. They're coming number one.
Hey, Siona. That's some good.
Guys, this is what we went to go print off. Find Sionga's photos. I'm just so excited for them because, man, so goals, man. Because I could never. Guys, we got our wristbands and now we're going to the couples where we can watch them. But guys, shout out to the girl that gave us a free ticket. She gave us 2 free tickets, me and Guz. We thought that we could buy the other tickets here because they were sold out. But no, they said it was sold out. And then the girl, she was foreign. She's like, yeah, just take it, go.
Do you know what she gave?
Why? Go gave her a little wink, eh?
Yeah. You don't see it.
Not me, little talk.
Like you, makes you wanna like just run.
Yeah. Okay, guys, they just finished their sled push, killed it, and now they've gone for their run again, and then it's the sled push. Push! Let's go, guys! Find your momentum. Yeah! And again, Kaz! And again! Come on! Yes! Good! Yes, Kaz! Come on! 2 more! 1 more! Let's go, Kaz! Yes!
Let's go, fine.
Last 2 reps left.
Guys,
You got it, Seth.
go fight! Go, Siona!
Get in, Sioma.
Let's go, sis!
Go, Seth, slide. Good pace, good pace, good pace.
Siona! Can I have your autograph?
Take your shirt off. Take it off.
Take it out! hold them like this. I don't want it. Girls, look. Girls, look.
Alright fam, real quick, so the update is they're on the road right now, so they got 1 kilometer on the road to knock up between the two. I'm guessing they're about 2, 3, almost maybe 500 halfway. Sionga went first, 5 went, now Sionga's on again. Also Caesar's over there, Jace is there, and this is up.
See, go over halfway.